Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about exception subclass in Java. In Java it is possible to create one exception subclass. We have to first create one class. So I'm going to create one class called myException, and then the class has to extend the superclass exception, and this way we can create our own exception subclass. And by creating our own exception subclass allows us to handle exceptions specific to our application needs. So in this example program we have created our own exception subclass which is extending the superclass exception, and then we have the constructor of the subclass which is taking one string as a parameter, and then it is passing that string onto the superclass constructor. So this way we have created our own subclass of exception, and then we can throw our own custom exception from inside one try block with one string parameter, and the exception will be handled by the catch block, and it will print that exception object onto the console. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program. So you can see the output. We have the name of our custom exception class called myException along with the string parameter. So in Java we can create our own exception subclass by extending the exception superclass, and this way we can able to handle exceptions specific to our application need. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.